So I want to show you my new spray gun, this Husky spray gun, which I am loving because it makes my painting process so much more quick and the finish is impeccable. No brush strokes, really nice and smooth. And I had to watch some videos beforehand to really educate myself on how to best get the spray the right size and the right consistency. So here I'm applying some gel stain to the tabletop, and I will seal that with some polyurethane clear coat in a high gloss to make it more elegant. I have made a lot of mistakes with polyurethane in the past, so I want to give you some detail on how I best apply it. I used a foam brush. This helps remove brush strokes and bubbles that are often developing when you apply some type of clear coat. What I do is I get my foam brush wet a little bit and I keep each stroke from drying out. I just keep wetting the foam brush and going back and forth until everything is nice and smooth. And I continue doing that in a straight line next to each previous stroke. The main thing is to not go back and touch up, because if you do this, since clear coat dries so quickly, if you go back over an initial stroke, you will leave a mark in your finish. Rather than be tempted to go back and clean something or add a little where you feel you've missed a spot, let everything dry and come back over it with your second coat and everything will even out nicely. Here I am doing the edges of the piece and finishing it off. I really hope you enjoyed this video demonstration. The full tutorial is on my blog and I will show you how I distressed and gave this piece a really vintage look. Thank you for watching.